Just got a fresh shipment of dwarf conifers, Japanese maples, and some broadleaf evergreens. There are some beautiful things on this cart. Oh my goodness, look at this. A Hebe Canadian hemlock. Look at this wee baby. We have some push Norway spruce. We haven't had these in a while. These are lovely. And look at these beautiful weeping hemlocks. These are absolutely gorgeous. We've got some beautiful small Japanese maples, the Kitsura and the Sharp's pygmy Japanese maple, and we even have some bonsai Japanese maples, the mini maples down on the bottom. These are absolutely gorgeous. And we've got some larger conifers that I'm going to show you next. And look at these beauties. We have the pines in, we have some Chamaecyparis, we have some Picea orientalis. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. And can you imagine a bonsai Christmas tree? These are absolutely beautiful, and they just came in. It's so exciting if you're a plant geek like me.